Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live very quickly to respect your time. If you're looking for a trade recap or some sort of situation where the person's talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this will not be what you get in this video, because when I say live, I mean that I'm recording myself in real time and I don't know what's coming next. So if you're open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, raw look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. So I will go ahead and pause for now and I'll be back at the open. All right, I'm watching 53.75 here as a potential short here on coin. So watching that very closely. I'll pause for now and we'll see if it wants to come back into play. And if it does, then yeah, that could be a very interesting situation. Is it coming back into play right now? Let's see. Just such a fast mover. I'd hate to miss the entry point. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, looking to pick up put here at 1550. It looks like I missed it though, so I'll go ahead and cancel that out. It's potentially a tad bit too slow on that one, but if this wants to come up a bit more, then I'm still interested, but no longer at 1550. Though I still would not have been filled anyways. Coin, which is what I was watching to start with, keeps on grinding higher. And a quick note, if you notice my screen has changed, that's because I'm on my options trading setup here, because I do trade stocks and options. So that's why it does look different, in case you were wondering about that. Okay, I will go ahead and pause and keep looking. All right, going to try to pick up some puts here at 1670. Nice move here, trying to play a back test up. Okay, in at 1670. Let's see if we can get this thing to come back down now. Step one down below 707.50. And all out there for a nice $500 sniper shot, and patience paid. And it's 9:40 in the morning, 10 minutes, $500. The markets are such a crazy, crazy place. And I say none of that, and I know a lot of you are going to know what I'm going to say here, but I want to build context for you newer listeners. But I don't say any of that to brag. I say it to build perspective, because it's easy to look around social media. It's easy to look around and see huge gains, and then to look at your own results and be like, geez, I must be doing something wrong. Maybe I'm not that good. But let's keep things into perspective. And the trick I love to use is, and let's just say this wasn't $500. Let's say it was $50 that I made in 10 minutes. Walk up to somebody that's making minimum wage and say, you know, I made $50 in 10 minutes and I'm pretty bummed. They will look at you like you are the greediest savage ever. Right? And rightfully so. To complain about $50 in 10 minutes, that is bonkers. So it's all about perspective, and it's all about keeping perspective. And, you know, that's why in my mind, I like to play those mind tricks on myself, because I'm just like you. It's easy to look around social media, YouTube, see huge gains, and then start to question your own self, your strategies. And, you know, you don't want to play those mind games with yourself. You want to keep perspective. And then the other reason I bring that up is I do trading as a side hustle of one of my several streams of income, because I do this in my point in life. I want freedom of time. I have 5 young kids, and I want to spend time with them. I want to spend my time doing stuff I like to do, working on my real estate business, working on the teaching business at claytrader.com, of course, spending time with my kids. So like I said, I do this not because I want the Lamborghini or the private jet. Now, if you're doing day trading because you want a nice Rolex watch, cool, go for it. I hope you accomplish that goal. But for me, my goal is freedom of time. And if I can put $500 in my pocket after 10 minutes, I am more than happy with that. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up and move on with my day. So I love the 10-minute workday. Absolutely love it. And usually I'm looking to be done after right around 30 minutes on average. Sometimes I obviously go over, but in this situation, I was nice 20 minutes below average. So I'm going to move on with my day. Again, keep things in perspective. Even if it was just $50 in 10 minutes, that's a great amount of extra money, especially when you consider the context of I'm just sitting here in basically my underwear, sitting around pressing buttons. I mean, that's a great way to go about it. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Hit that like button, leave a simple comment. These videos are challenging because there's a lot of stuff going on because they are genuinely live. I have to talk to you. I have to think for myself. I have to make alerts. I have to manage trades and all that sort of stuff. So they're not impossible, but they are a challenge, and I will continue to pursue that challenge as long as I know you are interested. So again, if you are interested, please hit that like button and leave a comment below. Even if it's just saying hi, thanks, smiley face emoji, tell me what you traded today. But those things go a long way. So good out there. Keep things in perspective and have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.